Hello everyone, welcome to Nihira Techiees. In this video, I am going to explain cookies in Angular application. Basically, we all know cookies is the kind of state management. In our Angular application, we are going to implement this cookie using this ngx cookie services. First, let me explain the steps. For using this ngx cookie services, we have the npm command. You have to run it first. Once it's run, the cookie services get installed in your application. After that, you need to add in the provider side. In the op model, we have the provider. You have to include these cookie services. Once it's included, we can use anywhere of in our application. For example, if I want to use one component means I need to inject this cookie services in the particular component. After that, I can use all feature of the cookie services. In using these cookie services, we can set some values in the cookies and we can get the cookies. Actually, the cookies, the data are stored in the key and value pair. When we are setting time also, we will provide the key name. Using this key, we can get the cookie values, and also if it's not required, we can remove based on the keys. So let me explain everything from our application side. This is my created application. First, I'm going to install the ngx cookie services. So let me copy the command first. Now I am going to run it. If you see here, it's being installing. Okay, look like our ngx cookie service got installed. Now let me go to the app model. So in the app model, we have the provider. We have to include our cookie services in the provider. Before that, I need to import it. Just import from. So it's available in the ngx cookie services. Here we need to use cookie services. Now we have imported. Let me include in the provider side. Okay, it's done. So now we have completed our changes in our app.model. Here after we can use anywhere of in our application. Now let me go to the our app component. In the app component, I am going to create the constructor first. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to inject the cookie service here. Okay, cookie services. When I'm injected, it's imported in the top. Okay, now I can use this cookie. For explaining this functionality, I am going to create one function. The function name is setCookie. Okay, now let me try to set some values in the cookie. This dot cookie dot set. As I mentioned in the cookie, the values are storing in the key and value pair. So I am including my key is user ID and the value is admin user. Okay, so all the values are basically will store in the string format only. So now we have created our function. For testing this one, I am going to our HTML side. Here I am going to include one button. So the button is set cookie. Here I am going to bind the event. We all know the syntax of event binding. So click. In the click, I am going to call the function set cookie. Okay, that's it. Now we can verify the output. I am trying to click this set cookie. After that, let me come to the application side. Okay, in the application side under the cookies, if you see the user ID and the value is admin user. And now I am trying to change the value. So I am setting the value as just a user. Okay. Now we are seeing the value is admin user. If I'm clicking this set cookie, after I'm refreshing, I'm getting the user ID value is user. So that's it. In this way, we have to set our cookie. Now let me going to explain the get cookie. So the whatever value we have set it in the key, we have to get it. So for the get cookie also syntax is same. For testing purpose, I'm going to add in the console. In the console.log, the same code. Instead of set, I'm going to use get. That's it. And also we have to provide only key. We will get the value. That is the scenario. Let me change this one also admin user. And also I need to include one more button also. Then only we can identify. Okay, this one is get cookie. Okay, fine. Now I'm trying to click this set cookie, and after that I'm going to click the get cookie. Before that I am going to the console. As of now there is no value. If I'm clicking this get cookie, I'm getting this admin user. And in the set cookie part, I am going to include one more cookie. So username. So username is Ramesh. Okay. If I'm trying to give this username. Okay, if I'm click the set cookie, the value is set. Now I'm trying to get the value. So okay, it's coming as the Ramesh. And also if I go to the application also, I can see the username and the user ID, both the things. Now let me explain how to remove the cookies. Basically, we can remove in the two ways. One is we can remove all the cookies, and another one is removing the cookie based on the key. So let me create the button first. First one is remove, and the next one is remove all. Remove cookie, and the remove next one is remove all cookie. Okay. Now let me define the function also. And another one is now I am trying to remove the cookie, this one based on the key. So for remove the cookie, we have to use the keyword delete, and we have to mention the key name. And another one is, as I mentioned, removing all the cookies. We have to use this delete all option. It will remove all the cookies. Okay, why it's still showing an error? Okay, the issue is resolved. We can verify once again. Okay, actually we have the cookie value. Now I am trying to remove one. So it's removing the based on the username. I think the username only we provided. Yes, correct. Let me try to refresh. Okay, if you see here, the particular username is removed. I am trying to set the value once again. Now we have both the cookies. Now I am going to remove both the cookies. I am going to click this removal. Now I am trying to refresh. See, all the cookies are removed. So this is all about handling cookie using this ngx cookie services. Still, if you have any doubts or clarifications, please post in our comment box, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, like and share to your friends. In our next video, we will see one of the interesting topic. Thank you. Thanks for watching.